Welcome back to Learning with the Difference. News headlines in English for 30th July. And first of all, national news. No info about Chinese casualties in Galwan clash. RTI body to applicant. Relief for foreign medical graduates who returned from Ukraine, China. Former Bengal Minister Parth Chatterjee caught in a sensational corruption case. No compromise on passenger safety. Union Minister of Civil Aviation Jyotiraditya Scindia on repeated flight snags. Former Coal Secretary H.C. Gupta convicted in coal scam case. Nearly 5 crore cases pending across courts in India centered to Lok Sabha. Keep a watch on artificial lake near Gangotri Glacier, court to disaster body. On filing a PIL claiming that the formation of the lake might cause a tragedy. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday congratulated students who are graduating today at Anna University's 42nd convocation. And now some international news. UK newspaper The Guardian lost court battle over Prince Philip's will. Saudi Arabia's Prince Salman thanked French president for warm reception. Sri Lanka president in talks with opposition to form all-party government. Talks are expected to be completed in 1 week. San Francisco, first major US city to declare monkeypox local emergency. And now some sports news. Commonwealth Games 2022 Day 1 live updates. Shiva defeated Pakistan boxer in 63 kg. Swimmer Srihari Nataraj has qualified for the 100-meter backstroke in semi-final. Barcelona president Joan Laporta has said that he hopes Lionel Messi will end his career at Barcelona. And our news related to business. Sensex surged over 450 points on positive global cues. Nifty trades above 17,050. Rupee at highest in nearly 3 weeks. Tracks broad dollar losses. Apple's India revenue nearly doubles in June 2022 quarter. 5G spectrum auction entered day 4. Bids worth rupees 1.49 lakh crore received so far. Fiscal deficit hits 21.2% of annual target in first quarter of 2022-23. And now news related to weather. On 30th July, the temperature of New Delhi at the daytime will reach to 31 degrees Celsius and it will drop to 27 degrees Celsius at night. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.